What's up, everyone? Dimensionalist here. I'm back here with two Blazing Vortex packs. Let's get opening. First up, Arch, Fable. I'm just drawing into the Fables. First, I got my playset. Don't need, and I can use another one. And last pack. Can we pull broken? Let's see. Alright, I was trying to pause there in case someone was wondering. Our Dragon Blitz got. Don't need. There you are. It's like, don't need. Nope. Ooh, win-witch. That's good. Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.